And these are absolutely delicious. These are amazing hazelnuts. They're raw, shelled, but they still have their skin on them. And I personally don't like them with the skin. So what I do is I roast them. Then I rub them between paper towels. I'm sorry, between dish towels, and I take the skin off. So that's what I'm gonna do now. They themselves come in a reclosable bag, which is good because I buy them in bulk. And at this point, we buy them in bulk. We roast them once a weekend, and we store them in these containers, and we put them in our salads and other fruits. So because we store them in this container, I like to make sure they fit. So first thing I do is I fill up the container like this. Then I take a single sheet pan, and you put them on the sheet pan. And you spread them out because you don't want them touching. Put them in 10 to 14 minutes, but you want to shake the tray, agitate them. All right, it has been 7 minutes. We're going to pop it open. Smell amazing. Agitate it. See that? Separate it. Put it back in. All right, our timing is done. So next thing you do, you take them out of the oven. And then you're going to steam them for 5 minutes. So they have sat for 5 minutes. So what you do is you're going to roll them around, and it's not going to be perfect, but you can tell that a lot of the skins have come off. So then what you do next is you go through and you take them and you would just start putting them in the container.